There is absolutely nothing wrong with an Akurinu child wearing an Akurinu turban at school. And therefore, any head teacher or principal who turns away such a child should stop that action with immediate effect. Next week we shall issue a circular to all the sub-county directors to ensure that there is enforcement. If we can accept the turban, why not the Akurinu turban? If we can accept the Sikh turban, we are not going to discriminate against our Akurinu children. Finally, for those parents and children who are having exams on Monday, I would like to wish the children all the very best. I think the children have gone through a lot of pressures from the constriction of the calendar due to COVID. And for those that have remained in school for the high school examinations within a week, they can use the 1 week to just contextualize what they already know.